teach you how to clean a screen enclosure, a typical bird cage enclosure of a swimming area. From time to time, through storms and also just the change of seasons, you're going to accumulate areas of leaves, pine needles, and although it's very difficult to try to get all of the needles off and everything, from time to time a basic cleaning is a must to prevent the debris from accumulating. The easiest way to get started is to use a pool brush, the normal pool brush that you use to use the edge of your pool. This right here is your normal shampooer. When you disconnect the pool vacuum cleaner and attach the pool brush, it's very important to use the pool brush because what you do is get up on the roof. The easiest and the safest way is to get up on the roof, clean from top to bottom. We'll be using the pool brush to help push the pine needles and the pine straw off of the top of that out to that side. Then we'll grab a ladder. We already have a ladder set up here where once we push the stuff so far, then we'll use a pulling motion to pull the debris the rest of the way. After that, we'll use a regular blower to blow off any of the extra, because as we work from top to bottom, we'll clean the top and then we'll clean the bottom.